Working on different applications may call for different environments with packages in their required versions, and different applications may need different versions. Let's learn to create a virtual environment. We'll use venv for this. Go to the command prompt and type this out. This runs the venv module as a script and creates a directory and calls it app1. We can see that the directory has been created. Inside this we have 4 things: include, lib, scripts, and a configuration file. This is inside site packages and this is inside scripts. Get back to the command prompt and execute this activate bat file to activate the environment. You have created your new virtual environment with Python. Whatever modules you need for your application, you can install using pip, Python's own package manager. We saw how to do that in the previous module. Now you can install here whatever you want without worrying about clashes with other applications.